Space travel has fascinated mankind for centuries. Now, SpaceX is writing a new chapter in this interstellar journey. Imagine a world where the internet isn't a luxury but a basic necessity. SpaceX's revolutionary Starlink project is making this dream a reality. Starlink, a constellation of low-orbit satellites, is being launched to provide high-speed, low-latency internet to every corner of the globe. Remote learning, telemedicine, and global business connectivity, previously hindered by slow or non-existent internet, will become commonplace, advancing society's progress at an unprecedented speed. But this mission isn't without challenges. Space debris, regulatory hurdles, and technical snags are some of the obstacles SpaceX is working tirelessly to overcome. Despite these challenges, SpaceX's vision and tenacity continue to propel them forward. Their story is not just about connecting the world, but also about pushing the boundaries of human potential. SpaceX's mission isn't just about reaching for the stars, it's about bringing the stars closer to us, making the world a smaller, more interconnected place.